Here's a 1-minute tutorial, a breathing technique called square breathing. You're going to breathe in for a count of, say, 4. You're going to hold that breath for a count of 4. You're going to exhale for a count of 4 and pause at the bottom of the exhale for a count of 4. Coming to a comfortable seat. Lots of space for the rib cage if possible. Exhale completely. Breathing in 1, 2, 3, 4. Pause and hold. 2, 3, 4. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Pausing 1, 2, 3, 4. Again. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Pause 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4. And pause 1, 2, 3, 4. Do this several times and get on with your day.